This is GATE 1995 paper, and we are discussing about 1 mark question related to electronics. A BJT is said to be operating in the saturation region if A. Both the junctions are reverse bias, B. Both the junctions are reverse bias, if emitter base junction is reverse bias and base collector junction is forward bias, C. Base emitter junction is forward bias and base collector junction is reverse bias, and D. Both the junctions are forward bias. Okay, we know that every BJT consisting of BJT is nothing but it will be consisting of 3 regions: emitter, base, collector. So out of this emitter, it can be either NPN transistor or it may be either PNP transistor. If it is NPN or PNP, there will be a junction considered across emitter base, that is JE, and there is a other junction, that is JC. JE and JC are going to be the 2 junctions we will get, 2 PN junctions. Based on how they are biased, the transistor will be operating in different regions. So that we will consider now. Okay, so we are going in this way, JE and JC, and next region of operation, region of BJT. If both are forward bias, at that time the BJT is in saturation region. If emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias, at that time it will be in active region. If emitter base junction is reverse bias, collector base junction is forward bias, by that time BJT is said to be in inverse active region. Inverse active. It is also called as reverse active because this region is exactly opposite of active region condition. And if both the junctions are going to be under reverse bias, at that time it will be in cutoff region. The BJT is said to be in cutoff region. Okay, and this one, it finds saturation and cutoff will be used in the switching applications, and active region is used for the amplification as well as oscillations. So according to our question, a BJT is said to be in saturation if emitter, both junction as well as collector base junction, both the junctions are forward bias. So the right answer is D. If both the junctions are forward bias, then the BJT is said to be in saturation region.